Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is the first video that I'm attempting to make. We're gonna try to photograph some pieces of cheesecake right here inside the home. So we're gonna do this right here in the kitchen table. We're gonna use some black poster boards. We're gonna use wooden base to put all the pieces of the cheesecake. And I'm also using a ring light like this, so you can see that kind of light. So we're gonna use that to illuminate the cheesecake and the food, and we're gonna use my camera. It's a Nikon, and we're gonna use a lens, a Nikon lens that is a 16 to 80 millimeters. I'm not sure about what the rest of the settings are gonna be, but I'll put it into the video and you will see that. So hopefully you like it, and let's start. Well, as you can see, I have finished setting up the poster boards here. I use a little bit of a painter's tape to hold them. So we have two blacks on this side, and then I'm gonna use one white poster board here to make more to feel a little bit of the light. And we're gonna place the cheesecake here. We're probably gonna be arranging this more once we place the cheesecake pieces here. And make sure that everything falls in the light it's correctly, and we're ready to take some photos. We also gonna do a little bit of other kind of props here, like the mug here. We're gonna maybe fill it out with some coffee or chocolate. Well, I think that's it for the video. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'm gonna try to make more videos in the next couple of weeks. You can subscribe, you can share, like it. Thank you very much. Until next time.